Hello fruits, my name is Cherry and I am here to tell you that we will be starting our series of 100 MLAI project. Okay, so in this series we will be building all those ML models. This is particularly based on ML models and their AI implementation. Okay, because as you already know, ML is umbrella term for all of it. So yeah, um, we will be building each ML models from starting from logistic regression to KNN models. But the main thing is we will be building something. We will be taking a problem from our domain or any specific domain, such as we can talk about a used car price prediction, right, which is used in many old car selling platforms. So all those platforms, we got a problem, we will be thinking about it, we will be thinking how can we implement ML in it, and then we will be using model. So there is only like one more important thing, that which model to use for which kind of problems. Okay, so we'll be learning all those things in this series. So this series is basically designed where we will be like, I will be doing live streams on like maybe one or two live streams each week, and we will be building the project live. Okay, the projects are easier, maybe they can cost some time, okay, on training and all, but yeah, the projects are easy. I will be navigating you how I approach each problem, how I solve them, okay, and how I document it. And there is one more thing, ML models are much more than your Python notebook. Okay, so we have to build their API calls also, that when somebody calls them, what data they give. Okay, there is also much more engineering there. So we will building like we will be doing all those things, and so I will be first navigating you through some of the things which are here, which are already here. So yeah, let's go. Here you can see that here my project, yeah. So here is our 100 ML projects. Other projects are also there, you can also go through it and see. So this is ML2 tree, where will be, this is my folder where all the files are there. Okay, all the folders are there. So these files are used for my two projects, which is one prompt vista ML. So as you can see, so this is basically, we are using prompt engineering and we are making API calls for our machine learning model. So this is how basically it works. So I made one for that. And then there is this is data science. So it is just a visualization tool. Okay, so it just visualizes things. Here how it is. So it is a ML based, like the main focus is ML only. Okay, so we are using Python notebooks to build reproducible models. Then we are pre-processing pipelines, model training, and there is data set. So this is how it is. And we are also building backend here. So our project architecture is like that. This is fine. You can go through it. Fine. And then there is ML2 train. So you can see there are so many models currently I have made. So starting from just the basic one, which is house price prediction, and then human activity recognition, iris flower prediction, and there is legal ease chatbot, then mobile range price prediction, password distance prediction. So there are so many. You can go, and we will be building more, right? So I have built some so that you can get idea, or I can also get idea how to express things, right? And then we will be moving on to the rest of the thing. So yeah, you can see this is very simple. This is the one of the most important things, that each model we are building is having a particular project style. So there is a src folder, there is a notebook requirement file. You know why requirement file is used, right? If you don't, you just join the live, I will be explaining everything. And then there is readme file. If somebody, like, as we deploy it in not we don't deploy it, but as we post or as we save all this in GitHub, right? So readme file are really useful to tell us about that. So let me give you an example of house price prediction. So you can see there is a Python notebook, there is dataset also is there, and this is how it is. So this is the project overview, objective, how, what dataset we used, EDA we did. Okay, then this is our first analysis which we did. Then we used linear regression, L2 and L1 regression. Like, you don't have to worry about all these things, I will be telling you all. Okay, but there are prerequisites, as we are already building models, right? we should revise it. We should revise all our MLs and all which I have already done. So how and which model predicts what, right? Which model, like basics, you should know the basics and the rest will be fine. So this is how all the things are. So yeah, this is what I wanted to tell you. This is my repo. Yeah, you can go through the repo. All the things will be in description, and be ready for it. Every week we will be doing one or two live streams. We will be building projects from scratch. As you can see, we will be thinking about the problem. We will be trying to solve the problem. Okay, we will be also checking the accuracy of the problem. That is my what I thought is accurate, or you can guide me better, right? So as a team, we will be doing all the things. And if I can teach you something really good, if I can learn from you really good, I will be teaching you 10-20% things. You will be teaching me all the knowledge you have, right? So this is how we will be growing. So starting from maybe next week, we will be starting it. And sure, do join the GitHub repo, star it. Make sure that you get all the updates from there, and join the live stream for that. So yeah, bye bye. This was Cherry, and then I hope to see you in the live stream soon. Do subscribe also so that you get the notifications when I do live stream, and learning live will be better as we can share knowledge, right? That is one of the best thing we can do, and we can also get some problems which are not like which we cannot think of as alone. So we will be working as a team and tackling all those problems. So you just join the live, and yeah, that's all. So hope I see you all guys in the live. Bye bye.